Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of pet care, focusing on one of the best kitten baby bottles available, the Lixit Nursing Bottle Kit. This complete nursing kit from Lixit is a game-changer for anyone caring for small animals that require hand feeding. Whether you have a newborn kitten, a tiny puppy, or even a baby raccoon, this kit has you covered. First off, let's talk accuracy. The Lixit bottle comes with measuring marks, ensuring you're providing your furry friend with the precise amount of fluid they need. Plus, it's easy to clean, thanks to the included brush. Now, let's talk nipples. This kit comes with 3 different ones, allowing you to customize the flow rate to suit your pet's needs. No more struggling with overly fast or slow feeding. So, if you're in need of a reliable, easy-to-use nursing bottle for your precious pet, look no further than the Lixit Nursing Bottle Kit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.